Girls' attitude versus rudeness. There is a fine line between having a strong attitude and being outright rude, and many people, especially girls, often get these two confused. A healthy attitude in a girl reflects self-respect, confidence, clear boundaries, and high standards. It means she knows her worth, doesn't tolerate disrespect, and carries herself with dignity. This kind of attitude is attractive and respectable. It shows emotional maturity and strength of character. It says, I value myself enough not to settle for less. Rudeness, on the other hand, is completely different. It is unnecessary harshness, disrespect, arrogance, or belittling others without any valid reason. Rudeness often comes from insecurity, poor emotional control, or a need to feel superior. While a girl with attitude may politely decline something or stand her ground firmly, a rude girl will insult, mock, or dismiss others just to show dominance or feed her ego. The key difference lies in intent and delivery. Attitude protects her peace and self-worth. Rudeness destroys the peace of others to boost her ego. A girl with a good attitude can be bold, opinionated, and assertive while still remaining respectful and kind where it's deserved. A rude girl is often just unpleasant, even when no one has wronged her. True confidence doesn't need to be rude. The most admirable girls are those who have a strong attitude when necessary, but never cross the line into disrespect and toxicity. In short, attitude equals self-respect plus boundaries plus confidence. Rudeness equals insecurity plus disrespect plus poor character. Choose attitude. Never confuse it with rudeness.